Patricia, Charmaine. Okay. She looks like she's going to be dancing tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the best man, Justine, Leo, Jofred and Kyle. Ladies and gentlemen, now, if you're able, could you please stand? If you could please stand. And the reason we're here is to have a party. So please welcome the bride and groom, Franchelle, and of course Andre. Let's clap, come on, clap. Ladies and gentlemen, the bridal party. Hey, how good that? They'll be up on the floor later. Please, if the bridal party can just go to their, up to their table, and everyone be seated.
Nice.
That was a great warm welcome. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, my name is Tony. I'll be doing a few announcements tonight. We've got a few things, speeches, games, a bit of singing, and a bit of fun. So please enjoy yourselves, and I'll be back very shortly to say grace.
Just sing the song and you know the lyrics. We didn't practice that much, but yeah, here we go. Do you need
keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
sing. So I love we're holding. We're here to music in the air. For the flowers. To the breezes, to the trees. Moon so pretty, you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me here right now. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been the right half been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky I'm in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed when we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Great everyone. Actually, kinabahan ako kanina kasi akala ko lahat na lang English pero Tagalogin ko na. Alam mo na
Pilipino.
Tagalog.
Bisaya.
Okay? Oo, okay yun ang Bisaya.
Bisaya, be. Magtagbis na lang.
Para magkaintindihan.
Tagbis na tayo.
Ako naman salamat na we are here today to gather this very important occasions. Especially my daughter na nag-iisa lang na anak ko. Kanina,
Bye-bye.
nakala heavy ako na iyak, pero nung nag-visit si Cheche, medyo nagkaroon ako na okay. But siguro yung time na yung mga problema na siyempre hindi na natin kalahin na nagkaroon ng problema. Ganun talaga. Ganun na yung buhay. Anyway,
tapos na.
Just would like to mention the side of my relatives, especially JC from Perth. And also Filipino family. Dito talaga makalimutan. Second family. Okay? Of course, the main actor. Congratulations to all of you. Okay. Actor and actress. That's all. Thank you. Celine pala.
I'm from Canada.
From Canada. Anyway, yun lang naman ang ano yan. Kung baga sa atin.
Mahuli na talaga kami. Hindi nga tambali sa lamesa.
Parang kinakatsawan. Masarap talaga importante dyan na sakto nga na puro na lang ang papantayan ngayon.
Ang tagatanda ko namin yun. Pagkira ko sa mga tagdapaw. Tagdapaw ano?
Dapat,
Tulingan na po.
sabi ko nga,
Diba? Fast forward to 2014, when I started living with the Canon's house and start sharing the same room with Ate Chel. It was during this time that we truly got to know each other. We became as close as true sisters and soon found ourselves partners in crime, sabi nga nila. I still recall being waking up in the wee hours of the morning, around 2 a.m. by Ate Chel, who wanted to go late night powers ride sa Puting. Lagi na ako na, gising ka pa ba? Tara, ano paris tayo? Kailangan mo sumama kasi magagalit si mama pag hindi ka sama. She had a way of surprising me with these random food cravings, and I couldn't continuous spirit. Auntie Chen, I want to express my genuine gratitude for everything you've done to me. You've been always there as that pillar of support, ready to lend a shoulder to lean on. You've shown me the true meaning of family and friendship, and for that, I will forever cherish and appreciate you. To you, Kuya Gray, I want to acknowledge something truly remarkable. I've witnessed the depth of your love to Ate Chen every single day. You've consistently made her feel cherished by expressing the 5 languages of love. Your unwavering loyalty from the very day you became a couple until now is truly admirable. Thank you for treating me like a little sister whenever we're at home. You always ask if I'm hungry and you're ready to whip something delicious. Our adventure has evolved over the years, from exploring places with scrumptious food to bonding over Korean drama series. So here's to many more K-dramas to watch of a day. To the both of you, as you embark to this beautiful journey of love and commitment, may your love continue to grow stronger with each passing day. Please raise your glass. Raise your glass.
Glass without...
As we raise our glasses to this wonderful couple, may your love continue to thrive just like the stories and
You're eliminated, so then it's going to just happens where you stop. Okay?
Ilugi.
Okay, play this banana game.
Nahida yun. Nate kapliti ba?
So I'll play some music. When it stops, whoever's the closest grabs the banana, then gives it back to him after. Okay, let's go. Now go around in the circle, go around in the circle.
Looking at the whip frame, that's the next stage. You can throw it to like Tom Brady with their right
No. Okay, the thing is that you didn't win. You're eliminated. It's not like pass the parcel. So, there's 3 left. Okay, keep going around. So it's the person who's just keep going around in circle. Keep going around him. Okay, whoever's the closest just has to grab the banana. Don't smash at it. Right. Okay, so you're eliminated. Okay, so there's two people left for just these bananas. Okay, don't make it too long, he's hanging on to it for dear life. Man. Okay, the closest person. Oh, no, she wants to be eliminated. Okay, she's eliminated. That means there's one winner. So, Just B, she's the girl that wants your banana.